Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Xiaomi announced a surprise announcement date and revealed the design of the 17 Ultra model, a flagship with an improved Leica camera. Last week, the company hinted that its flagship smartphone, the 17 Ultra, would debut in China this week. Now the company has revealed the exact launch date, design, and new color options. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Finally, Xiaomi announced a surprise announcement date and revealed the design of the Xiaomi 17 Ultra, a flagship with a Leica camera for professional photography. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra will be unveiled in China on December 25, 2025, the company confirmed in a post on its Weibo page. The brand also shared images of the phone's rear panel and color options. The smartphone will be available in 3 color options: black, white, and a new starry green color. The starry green color features mineral-infused back panels for a metallic sheen. Ahead of the 17 Ultra's official announcement taking place on December 25, Xiaomi has revealed that the phone comes with a physical zoom ring around its circular camera island. This will let you control zooming in a very tactile way. Interestingly, the official name of the phone seems to be Xiaomi 17 Ultra by Leica, and as rumored countless times before, it will feature the iconic red dot Leica logo on its back in at least one colorway. The published video and images also confirm that the Xiaomi 17 Ultra will feature a triple rear camera setup. Xiaomi also announced that the 17 Ultra will feature a flat display, segmented volume buttons, and an 8.29mm thick body. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra is expected to launch with a Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. The smartphone's main camera sensor is rumored to be 1 inch in size. The device also features a 200-megapixel periscope telephoto lens and improved Leica optics. This is rumored to be using Samsung's HPE sensor, while the main camera will sport a customized 50-megapixel OmniVision 1-inch type sensor. There will also be a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera using the Samsung JN5 sensor. The global launch of the smartphone is also reportedly expected in the coming months. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.